Hey Facebook world, this is Michael with another video. This is going to be, I'm going to do a unboxing video of an item that I just received today from my people I follow on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube recommended this. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing video. It's a Joby Grip Tight Pro telepod. It is a telepod thing for your phone. It's a tripod is what it is. So was trying to get out of. It is for taking, I'm getting it to hopefully help set up with a better system for my camera than just putting it on a stand and going from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing video of it. So I've got my knife here to go ahead, and we'll go ahead and slice it open. And we'll start from there and see what we've got here. Got it from Amazon. Amazon did a good job on the packaging, kind of squashed, but this is the box, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and open it up here. Just like that open. Package here. It's like a instruction manual. Instruction manual on how it works. Look at that. Won't go through that. But yeah, so this comes in here. This little plastic container here. Basically, my understanding here is you can hold this and you hold it, attach it to your phone, and you can carry this around. This extends up. So this is the base. It's got a this is a Bluetooth remote, so you can take videos, pause, stuff like that. So I haven't done a little look into it, how everything works on it. I'll play with it and I'll make another video on kind of how it works. This is the for the phone, the actual clip for the phone, so you can put it on here. It's got a little knob in the back. You can twist it, change the orientation of the phone. So like that, tighten that up so it's nice and tight. This knob here will probably adjust this up and down. I'm hoping to get this to kind of give me an angle pointing down, so I can kind of do more unboxing stuff possibly that way. So I'm going to go with that. Not really sure. This is got a couple other things coming out. And I'm assuming is for attaching to there. So it's got some different things. This might be able to get a different base hookup on it, assuming maybe for GoPro. So it looks like there's a GoPro attachment here. So basically on that, I don't know if you can see that. So this little guy here, not really sure. Just attach that here somehow. Tighten it in, screw it into something. Actually, you know what? It goes like this. This goes in here. Oh, that's exactly how that works. And then you put your, probably get a, this, what? Actually, now I'm thinking of it. Let's see here. If this goes like that. Oh, that's exactly how that works. That screws into there. Oh, okay. And that probably goes on there. Like that. Yep, that's exactly how that works. And this bad boy probably gets screwed right up on top. Like that, maybe? Like so. This loosens here. Ah, okay. Yep, that's exactly how that works. But I'm not really sure. That's about it, like I said. Phone goes up on that, it tightens here. Probably look at the instruction manual, probably helped me out a lot on that. But yeah, this all extends out like that. Oh, this thing. And you can set it up on the table like this. Maybe. I'm going to figure out how this works. this isn't really what I'm. Like I said, we'll play with it. We'll get it figured out how it extends out. Everything works on it. But yeah, this is it's a Joby telepod. Got it on Amazon. Was recommended from a lot of different YouTubers. Hopefully you guys are able to hear. Hopefully I'm loud enough on this. But yeah, this is an unboxing video. I said I'll play with it and I'll kind of give a review and give a little bit more information on it. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.